Yobo chenu PS Mary MUTHONI sokire na kuruko bole gochesa wananchi kone kyabuna nkwirenda bare anemono Chiganki chigabare aserusa yogo chingira yesukuku igobona borya wananchi babe maiso kero bagotumeka CHIBARA nabo igo babe maiso kero bakwene kya heme yigane chindagira bakoria nigo bigagendera kuborya wananchi gweso kya sobonge na kweri kyanse yo moroberio omuya bogokonya obobwenia kurwa serikali OSHA.
I have seen the other day a number of people who were hospitalized after taking food in an event. Please, let us ensure that food handling is taken with the highest level of hygiene. Let us ensure that the hygiene around our homes, in the hotels, in the restaurants, is at its highest. We do not want to hear people are being admitted in hospitals because of having eaten contaminated food. I am calling upon all veterinary officers and public health officers to ensure that the inspection takes place across the country. We want people to eat meat that is inspected. We want hoteliers and food handlers to have the certification and equally to ensure that the food handlers are able to provide the highest level of hygiene in the vicinity and the facilities where they offer services. This is a Christmas period and people will be moving from one point to the other. I'm asking and pleading with our drivers, please drive safely. Injuries can occur, but where we can prevent, it is important that we drive safely on our roads to avoid accidents that are going to cause miseries in our households. I want to encourage everyone during this festive season, please continue registering to the Social Health Authority. And remember, the government is also very clear for those who cannot afford. His Excellency the President has led the way. He's been able to pay for indigents across the country. Equally, we have philanthropists who have been able to pay for indigents in our country. Our MPs, our senators, and people of goodwill have been able to pick on the people who cannot afford to pay and are being paid for. Therefore, I want to encourage each and everybody that we are not going to leave anybody behind on issues